Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to be sharing today's video with you. It's an Easter Decorate With Me video and I had so much fun decorating my house for Easter this year. I hope this definitely gives you some Easter decorating ideas, and I'm also sharing with you a strawberry lemonade recipe. It is so delicious, perfect for the springtime, so I hope you enjoy, and let's get started in today's video. Alright, so I'm starting off today's video by showing you a haul of just some Easter decor that I have. Some of it's new and some of it I used from years previous, but most of what I'm showing you here today, it is new. And I just loved everything. The thing that I mostly loved about this year's Easter decor are these little green kind of like moss-like rabbits and these little kind of like wicker looking flowers and eggs that I picked up from Target, and also the rabbits. And I'm just giving you an overview of everything I have. I'm not using everything yet. I'm just showing you what I'm planning on decorating with this year. So let's get started in today's video. But before I start off, I also am sharing with you these lovely daffodils that I picked up from my local grocery store, one of my favorite candles. And I needed to start off in my kitchen to just unload the dishwasher and load it up. And I also wanted to clean down a lot of my surfaces, not anything like deep cleaning, but just wanted to clean off my surfaces before I started cleaning. So if you're getting started in your kitchen, let's get started together and let's decorate together. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. My name is Spring with Spring Soulful Home. I'm a wife and mother to 8 children. Most of them are all adults now. I'm a full-time working mom as well outside of our home. And when I'm not working outside of my home, I love to just decorate, plan parties for my family. I love to cook and clean. Yes, I do love to clean my home. There's nothing like a freshly cleaned home, but I love to share all of those things with you. So if you enjoy watching those types of things, definitely click that red subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you a part of this YouTube community. And if you're new, let me know where you're from. I always love to see where my subscribers are from. And if you're returning, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here again. I know it had been a while since I've uploaded a video. I had shared over on YouTube that I just had quite a bit going on, and some of our family members had passed on, so it does take a little bit of a toll, you know, on you emotionally, and I just needed to take a little break. But I'm so glad to be back and sharing videos with you. And I'm kicking this one off by decorating for Easter, and then I definitely have a closet and a room that I really need to get cleaned and organized, so I'm hoping to share that with you along with a couple of other things as well. I did also share over on my Instagram page that our oldest son recently got engaged, so we are planning for a wedding here pretty soon. So definitely stay tuned for some of those videos. I will most likely be sharing with you as well. But as far as today's video, I'm going to just, as you see here, cleaning up in my kitchen, and then I'll be moving on to decorating in our dining area and then also in our formal living room for Easter. And I just really love all of the soft colors that the springtime brings, and it just, I don't know, it just makes my home feel so much homey. And I just really love the change in decor as the seasons come and go. It just, to me, always makes our home feel so much more homier. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get going here. Starting off of the decorating here in this corner here where I have my mixer, and I'm using this spring sign that a sweet friend gave me, and then I have this little egg and the terracotta pot. I bought that from Walmart last year, and I absolutely love this little basket that I found in the dollar section at Target. And then I found these. They kind of look like basket weaved eggs. I found those at Target as well, and what I'm putting down in the basket first is just some filler from some other Easter decor. I bought those at Hobby Lobby on clearance last year, and then I'm just adding those in, and then I'm going to use the colored eggs up on the top. I just decided to use 3. I thought that looked perfect, and I really do like this. This is a little bit more decor than what I usually decorate with, but I really do love this. I wanted to just keep it nice and simple. And then I'm adding in this Happy Spring kitchen towel that I bought from Target as well, and I thought this just really looked cute. And then I added in a glass jar with some jelly beans. Thought that looked super cute as well. And then moving on to the jar that I have next to my stove, I thought I'd add in this jar filler with eggs, and I believe they have some carrots. They're kind of like a brown paper natural look. And then the green eggs, I bought those from Hobby Lobby on clearance last year as well. And then some little green moss rabbits that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I thought that just went really well next to my stove in this jar.
World on fire, you're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on.
And now moving on to my sink area, I just thought I'd keep it again just simple, going with the same light green theme, and I'm just adding in this rabbit that I got from the Target dollar section last year. And then I'm just using the same natural mossy looking eggs, and then the ones that are like a brown paper bag, and then just a little nest with some eggs, just adding that in here to my pictures. I just thought that would look really nice, and again just keeping it kind of simple, but these daffodils are just giving me all the spring vibes. And then I'm moving on to my little coffee bar section. I just thought that I would add in this runner that I got from Hobby Lobby. I bought it last year, but I didn't even use it. So I thought I would just put it here. It is a bit too small for my dining room table, but I just thought it added a really nice warm look to this table here. And then again, just being pretty simple, a little bit minimalist here, but I'm just adding in a tiered tray with the like kind of green mossy looking rabbit with some eggs, and another little sign that I got from the Target dollar section as well.
I can concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job.
And then moving on to our formal living room, I just thought I would use these tulips that I bought from Target. I bought them I didn't buy them from Target. I bought them from Marshall's, and they were in their Valentine's decor. And then I found these really cute little topiary trees in the Target dollar section. I thought I would add those in as well. And then I have some white ceramic bunnies that I bought from Target, and I thought this just looked really cute.
All I do is close my eyes.
And then for the side table here in between our two chairs, I just decided to use a light pink vase with some white roses, a rabbit, just a really cute little Easter sign, just keeping it light and airy.
Body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time. I'm spending my days with you.
And then to the side shelves that I have here on the side of our fireplace, I thought I'd add in those green mossy-like bunnies. And then I have a really cute nest with some eggs, and I added in some really cute, very spring-like flowers to the faux potted plant that I have here. And I thought that looked really cute, just added in some Easter and spring touches here.
It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose.
When I saw these flowers at Hobby Lobby, these really cute pink hollyhocks, I just kept eyeing them and I thought I have to get them. And I absolutely love the way they look here in our fireplace. And then I will go in and add some, they're kind of like a resin material. They're rabbits, and they actually almost match perfectly with the little wood piece that I have here in the center of our fireplace. And then last year I bought some cherry blossoms, some little faux planted trees from Target, and I added those in, again just adding in some light Easter / spring decor. And I just really love the way the decor looks and the way it feels here in our home. So one of my favorite little vignettes that I absolutely love here in our house would have to be what I've created here on this dresser. I love this vintage piece, and I painted this a few months back. I just absolutely love it, but I decided to add in some of that kind of like woven basket decor that I found at Target and Hobby Lobby. And so I added in those little basket weaved looking eggs into this jar that I have here. And then the flowers that I found from Target, I just left them in the decorative plate, and then I added in those basket like weaved rabbits. And it's very simple, but yet I just really love this piece. So it just brings me a lot of joy looking at decor. And I love it. It like says Easter without being over the top or too much. Area that I'm decorating in our home, and it is our dining area, and I'm just clearing off all of the florals and all of the decor, and I'm just taking everything away so I can put on here what I want to decorate with. So the chargers that I found, I actually got those online through Hobby Lobby. I didn't find them in our local store here, but I saw them last year. They sold out before I got a chance to get them, and they sold out again at the store that I work at, so I went online and ordered them. But I did want to keep those in for my Easter / spring decor. I thought they went really well, and I'm just using some faux floral blossoms that I bought from Target and I believe Hobby Lobby, and they are a mix of different floral blossoms. I just like to kind of mix and match things, and I just think this looks really cute. I'm adding in this really cute bunny that I bought from the at-home store. I think it is just so adorable. The body of it reminds me of a hydrangea, and I think that's actually why I bought it, because I love hydrangeas. And then I'm adding in this sign that says happiness is the first sign of spring, And one of my very sweet friends gifted that to me. She wrote a little message on the back for me, and she's just a very precious friend that I hold dear to my heart. So I just placed that there with some of these carrots, and then as I mentioned, I'm just laying out my charges. I'm not fully setting my table, and I may do an Easter tablescape. If you'd like for me to create a video for you, definitely let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear if that's a video you'd like to see in the future. Alright guys, so I'm sharing this delicious strawberry lemonade recipe with you. My daughter made it, I think, a couple weeks ago for a birthday party celebration, and it was so delicious. I definitely wanted to make this again for my family, and because it's something so good, I wanted to share it with you. I found this recipe on Pinterest, so I'll be sure to link it down below, as well as I will be putting up here shortly the measurements. It's super simple, but just really simple, and just such a refreshing drink to enjoy for the springtime, and now that summer is coming up as well. Alright guys, this is how simple this recipe is. You're going to put half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar, and I put about a cup and a half of strawberries to simmer for 20 minutes. Let that simmer, stir it occasionally, just so that way the sugar can just mix well with the water, as I'm doing here. Let that simmer. Don't bring it to a boil, but just let it simmer for 20 minutes. And then once it's all done, you're going to strain it. When you're straining it, don't push the strawberries into the strainer. Let the water drain through the strainer naturally. I forgot to record or hit record on my camera, but I have my strawberries, the strawberry water in here. So what I did is I just got this strainer, put it over this measuring cup, and poured the strawberries into the strainer. When you're pouring the strawberries into the strainer, let them drain naturally. Don't push them down. Just let them drain naturally, and then throw them out. And then I already put in my strawberry sugar water in the refrigerator to cool. It's not completely cool yet. And you can make your own homemade lemonade. You can use Country Time lemonade. That's what I have. The last time we made this, we used the lemon juice that's in the little the fake plastic lemon, and that came out really good. We ran out of that. I thought we still had some, so I'm just using Country Time, and then I'm just going to pour the strawberry sugar water into the lemonade. And then you can, I slice the remainder of my strawberries for garnish so they can look pretty in there. And then I'll also add some into my glass as well as the lemons. That way it looks nice. All right, my sweet friends, this is it for the video. I thank you so much for your support. It always means so very much. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you make this lemonade, let me know down in the comments or even over on Instagram. I'd love to hear from you. You all have a wonderful, blessed day. We'll see you again, friends. Bye-bye.